You know what I got here? I got a Cnfans haul, and I'm about to open it. Yo, what is up, guys? It is Eddie Kicks back with another haul. Today I got a good one, 25 kg. This haul has some interesting stuff, that, to say the least, some performative stuff. Sit down, get some popcorn, get ready to watch. But yeah, before I open the box, if you don't know what Cnfans is, it is a purchasing agent to buy anything from China. I'm talking, you want clothes, you want fashion, you want sneakers, you want shoes, you want food, you want electronics, you want appliances, you want a couch, you can buy it on Cnfans. You can buy anything on Cnfans, and no one really realizes that. But mainly people use it for, you know, fashion, clothing items, maybe some like jewelry and stuff. But yeah, Cnfans is like a Chinese Amazon. In this video, I'll unbox a haul from Cnfans, so yeah. And if you ever want to sign up to Cnfans, click the first link in my description. It'll give you a bunch of free coupons to get started on your Cnfans journey. I use them myself. I sign up to the link every single time I buy a haul because I want to give myself free coupons. You know how much money I've saved over time? I bought maybe like 25 hauls in my lifetime. Each haul I save about $20. 20 times 25. That's $500. I got myself a free haul with that money. By the way, repsheets.net is my spreadsheet where you can find literally over like 5,000 items to buy. It's on the screen, repsheets.net. All right, I just went out, got the haul. It was cold as freak, it was windy. I made it, all right? The haul made it. That's the most important part. It's literally the exact same size as the other one. I'm gonna actually see it's the exact same size. The boxes are the exact same size. Anyways, you know the drill. I don't gotta explain it to you. I take the scissors and I cut it. All right, so in this one is different. Got some better stuff in it. So they were meant to be shipped in the same haul, but when I was shipping it, I actually unselected like 5 items. So then I shipped my other one. I'm like, okay. And then a day later, I checked back and I'm like, wait, I still have like 5 things in my warehouse. I'm like, oh dang, I didn't ship my stuff. And that's how I ended up here. So in this one, I have 2 pairs of shoes off the bat, as you can see. And you know, I'm just gonna do this one first because I'm kind of excited about this. Now, do not judge me for these. I probably will never even wear these. It's kind of just something cool, you know, get. Here are Matcha SB Dunks. They're not actually matcha, it's just like the color. People call them the matcha ones. And I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I don't know in what situation I'd be able to put these on because they're like an olive green type thing. I don't think I've ever worn this color a day in my life, so that's that. Anyways, you can see the quality is outstanding. You get like suede on there, you get like little paint splatters. The Yuto origami, whatever that is, it's like a Japanese designer. And yeah, it comes with 2 other lace colors along with the color of the shoe. Here's the second pair. And yeah, I think these were like 30 bucks because I usually don't spend much when I think these are like 30 bucks. I don't really spend much when I buy Dunks because I know like Dunks are not the hardest to produce. But yeah, you can find them on repsheets.net, of course. You already know. All right, next, Balenciaga kicks. These aren't kicks though. Balenciaga bag. I don't care. And you got these. Everybody know about these. Come on, man. We are in, what year is it now? Like 2028? We're in 2028 and we still, like, you guys don't know about these? These the fluffy Balenciaga slides. Now, this is my second pair. The last pair I got the wrong size and I gave it to my mom. She wears them like every day. Now I got these. These, I'm not even gonna hold you. If you could smell it right now, it smells like the Chinese factory. Not just any factory, the one where like they're like hunched over the table, like actually like working on the stuff. Like it smells like that one. Not no like robotic, like it smells like a real factory. This is a real factory type shoe right here. Balenciaga on the bottom. You see like the shaggy fur. Balenciaga embroidered. Hey, let me try them on. All right, guys. I'm gonna give you a 3-second warning. The dogs are about to come out, so 3 second. 1, 2, 3. You stayed here. You wanted to see this. You creep. Here is the Balenciaga slides, as you can see. On feet, on dogs, on bare dogs. They fit me, I'd say perfect. I say pretty comfy, you know, this is like a house slipper, you know. I don't think I'd wear this anywhere but my house, just for the fact that I have plenty other options to wear. You know, I got Birkenstock, chrome hard Birkenstocks, I got Jordan 4 black canvas, I got easy slides, you know, like, anyways, I'm yapping. These are like 20 bucks, only 20 bucks. I think, yeah, the seller that sells these is like a top, he sells like 1,000 of these a day. That just tells you he's pretty reputable. Anyways, on to the next item. Here we have, who am I, guys? I'm Cabby Lane. Here I have a extraordinary item. It is a chrome heart like clothes hamper thing, like, you know, where you put your clothes in when they're like your dirty clothes, like you throw your clothes in here and then you bring it to the wash. Got a chrome heart one. I got a bust down clothing hamper. It's crazy. It's getting to that. Anyways, it feels pretty good and it does not smell at all. I don't think this would like make your clothes smell at all. It smells like nothing. The outside is like this hard cloth, like a hard tote bag or something, from all my matcha drinkers and my performative males, you know, tote bag. Yeah, it feels like that. Inside it's like this like plastic polyester type thing. This was like $5. I thought it would be horrible. It's really not that bad. Anyways, this is something I would just throw in your guys' haul because it literally came up bunched up and it was like this thick and like this wide, so it really does not increase shipping that much. Literally just throw in your haul and you won't even notice a difference in shipping price. And at least every haul I have at least like 2 items where I just throw in there and it doesn't increase shipping at all because they're so tiny. Anyways, next item. I've had this in my warehouse for about 5 months now. I bought it for the summer. Bro, I think I bought it for the spring. Last year I bought this. I kept extending the storage, but here it is, a Stussy like flower shirt. Stussy flower shirt. I mean, there's not much to say about this. It's a Stussy flower shirt. It's like every other Stussy shirt I've ever gotten. Screen print on the back. I do like the flower. Tell me. Oh my God, the op is here. Ooh. This is my slide. He slide for me. He'll run a drill in any op. His name is Hank. Goes by Hankus. And here is Luna. She would never slide for me, you know. She would slide against me, you know. She would attack me. So that just tells you how she is. Anyways, get off my back. Anyways, onto the, I was talking about the Stussy shirt. Stussy shirt cost me like $10. You know Stussy shirts be so cheap. They're like mass produced, good quality. And yeah, that's it. For the last item in this haul is something I've been looking forward to. I've been looking into the future. I've been looking forward to it. It's a huge bag. Oh my God. It is this Supreme like puffer jacket thing. Supreme tag on the back. It says Supreme, very subtle. But you think that's the whole design? No, it doesn't stop there. Let me put it on. All right, I've got the jacket on. Let me put it down here. I've got the jacket on. You're like, yo, it's so like shiny and reflective. I'm like, yeah, I know it is. Let me turn off the lights. I'm supposed to glow, I think. Oh, no. Now I'm confuzzled. Now I'm gonna go look at the listing again. I know for a fact I didn't pay $125 for this jacket and it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. Hey, regardless if it does what it's supposed to do or not, this is comfy. Okay, well, it's supposed to like reflect light. I don't know what that means. I don't know how to make it reflect light, but it's supposed to reflect light like in a dark place. It's supposed to like reflect light. Hey, it definitely does it. I just don't know how to do it. Anyways, it feels good regardless. I mean, on camera, it looks like plasticky. Like it looks like I'm wearing like some like rubber or something. I don't know. That's just what I see when I'm looking at the camera. You guys probably see something else. It's comfy and it fits me perfect. A nice calm little jacket. Got Supreme on it too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Anyways, this was like $130. If you'd like to buy it, it'll be in repsheets.net. Ooh, the pockets are like soft. Love that for me in the winter. You know, it get cold here in the big Minnesota. All my European viewers don't know what that is, but you know, it's a state in the USA. It's a little cold up here. Thank you guys for coming to my haul unboxing. Thank you guys. I'm gonna title this like 50K haul unboxing just to, you know, draw in more viewers. I say it's like 35, 40K. Anyways, 50kg unboxing. I had 2 packages. Overall, I did get a bunch of stuff. You can't say I didn't get a bunch of stuff. And I got some good stuff, I got some bad stuff. If you guys would like to help me out, support the cause, support Eddie Kicks LLC, click the first link in my description, sign up, and get yourself $129 worth of free coupons. Now, me saying this sounds like I'm trying to scam you or something. No, you get a bunch of coupons, and it's not just like trash ones. You get like 20% off and stuff. Hey, I use it myself. I say this every single video. I use the coupons on myself. Anyways, I'm gonna see y'all later. Peace. Wait. Before I go, tell me why I look at my YouTube studio like 98% of my viewers are not subscribed. Lock in, guys. We're supposed to be taking over the internet. I'm supposed to be the number one rap YouTuber. Like, you guys watch the whole video and you're not subscribed. It's just mind-boggling me. It don't cost you nothing. Like, hell. Anyways, to anyone that is subscribed, you already know. I acknowledge you. I love you. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Expect some more posts. All right, peace. My VL.